Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I have come your way with another message. And this message, it is about our economic crisis and what we are facing now. Coronavirus, coronavirus, coronavirus. My dear fellow brothers and sisters, this virus is very real. We shouldn't take it lightly. Let us observe social distancing. Let us wash our hands with soap and water. Let us also sanitize our hands with alcohol-based hand sanitizers. Now, look at the number of cases rising within a week. 12,590, 66 deaths. Even I'm sure it has even risen. It is scary. My fellow people, let us adhere to the directive that has been put in place. Let us adjust ourselves in this time of situation. I know this disease or this virus will be over soon. So please, let us adjust. Let us adjust because this virus is just a season. I'm here to encourage everyone, each of us. I'm here. I know I don't have the power to talk about this. But I just want to say it. Most people, we are not observing what we call social distancing. We are not doing it at all. And it's creating a lot of things in the country. If we were serious about this, the cases wouldn't have risen up to now. Now, all I want to say is we should just keep our faith strong. We should hold our faith steadfast. We should be very careful. Let us always do the precautionary measures that has been put in place. Government is doing its part. What about we individuals? Will you be happy when a relative of you is infected? No, nobody is happy. Will you be happy if you have the virus and they are not coming close to you? No. This is the time we need to prevent it. And by preventing it, we need to take the directives by washing our hands with soap and water under running water, by observing social distancing, by sanitizing our hands with alcohol-based hand sanitizers, by wearing our face masks, and after all, what else? We wouldn't suffer. Look at our frontliners, especially our health workers. Many have been affected. Look at our health minister. He has been affected. He was affected in his line of duty. Likewise, our frontliners. Let us pray for them because they are the one taking care of our infected patients. What if they are no more? What if they go on a demonstration saying they are not going to work again? Have you thought of how our country will become? Let us help them. Let us adhere to whatever they tell us. It is very, very important. They are risking their lives for our sake. They are risking their lives for our sake. So why won't we help them? Why won't we come together to fight the COVID-19 so that we'll be free? So that we'll be free and do whatever we want in the end. This disease is real. It's very real. You shouldn't see it as if, is just a normal thing. It is very real. Because of this disease, businesses are slow. Why? My fellow Ghanaians. Why? We shouldn't take this lightly. Let us remember our health workers, because they come, God is first, or they come first. If you are able to adhere to the measures, to do whatever we are asked to do, God will do the rest. The little effort we put in, God will help us. My fellow brothers and sisters, my parents, my elders, my grandparent, please, 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 let us help each other. Let us help each other, because united we stand, divided we fall. If you don't come together as one and fight the coronavirus, we will suffer for it. If you don't adhere to the measure that has been put in place or follow the directives, we will suffer. When this disease came, it was 2, 6, 8, even numbers. So I'm sure many Ghanaians didn't take it serious. And even still, we are not. Please, let us be serious and be cautious. Let us be careful. Let us be vigilant. Because this illness is not a joke, or this virus is not, and it is not something we should joke with. It can happen to me. It can happen to you. So let us prevent ourselves. Because there is a saying that prevention is better than cure. So why don't we prevent ourselves? Follow the directives so that we'll be free, than rather being infected, that you know that, I need to do this. No. We need to prevent ourselves. Please, my fellow Ghanaians. Please, my people. The president is trying a lot. The president is trying a lot. He is trying, and he is doing well. There's no two way about that. He's fighting for us. He's fighting for our freedom. Let us help him so that we all fight COVID-19. Also, if you don't have anything to do outside, please stay home. Please stay home. If you don't have anything to do outside, please stay home. And if you are going out, make sure you wear your nose mask. You have your hand sanitizer with you. But please, many people do not have anything to do outside, but they still go out. Please, let us stay at home. Let us stay at home so that together we fight COVID-19, because now the situation is rising. The deaths are rising. Where do you think it's coming from? Please, let us stay home if you don't have anything to do outside. If you don't have anything to do outside, please stay home. And if you feel sick, stay home too. Stay home and call the emergency numbers. Stay home. Stay at home. And keep yourself safe. Why? Let us be cautious. Let us be careful. Let us be careful. Let us be vigilant. if we do not put our effort, do you think God will help us? Or do you think God will heal our lands? The virus will go, but it will depend on you and I. If you want the virus to leave, then it will depend on you and I. Why? Why can't we obey simple instructions? Why can't we obey simple instructions and free ourselves forever? Let us help the government. Let us help our nation. Let us help the president. Please, my fellow Ghanaians, please, my sisters and brothers, please, the youth, I'm talking to you, the youth, help us, help your nation. Let us help ourselves. Let us come together and fight this battle. Some countries, theirs are low now, but look at ours. Most countries, theirs are gone down now, but Ghana is rising. Why? Because we are not taking the measures serious. We are not taking the directive very, very serious. Or you think you are doing now yourself, or you are doing myself. No. You think if you are infected with the virus, your parents will come near you, or your relations will come near you? No. So it's better you prevent yourself now. It's better we prevent ourselves now. There is no virus cure as at now. So the measures that have been put in place, let us follow it and do it. Let us follow it and do it. It will help us. It will help us. The virus is real. The disease is real. It is real. Let us think about it. Let us think about it. And let us fight COVID-19 out of the nation and even the world at large. Please. 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 I know I'm not in a better position to say this, but please. It's serious. Please. Let us try. I know it is hard. It is hard, but please, let us adjust ourselves. Please. Please. And in the end, we'll fight COVID-19. Thank you for listening to me. It's bye for now.